Introduction and excitement. Welcome, everyone, this is UR Cristiano, and I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with all of you. The excitement is palpable, and I'm certain this project will capture the attention of fans everywhere. Today, I want to introduce you to someone very special, my wife. She's the first person I had to invite as we kickstart this channel. I genuinely want to hear your thoughts, your opinions, and what you think about this endeavor. The project's vision. This is a project we've been dreaming about for years. Finally, the opportunity has come to bring it to life, and I couldn't be happier or more excited. This channel is my way of connecting more intimately with my fans, my people, after so many years in football. It's the perfect platform to share a glimpse of my life and offer content that's both original and organic. I truly believe this project has immense potential, and I'm confident it will be a success, just like everything we dedicate ourselves to with passion and magnetism. The curiosity we generate among fans and the world ensures that success is within reach. Seeking support and collaboration. I'm counting on your support as we dive into this project because it's going to be huge. What makes this even more special is not just the support from men, but especially from women. It's a source of pride for me to share these moments with you, to have fun together, and to show our fans that we have a healthy, genuine relationship. After all, we are just like everyone else. Real people with real emotions, who feel and experience everything life throws our way. A glimpse behind the scenes. We also want to give our fans a peek behind the curtain, showing them sides of us that they've never seen before. I'm confident they'll love getting to know this more personal side of you, something that only those close to us are privy to. What side of me will they see? Well, that's something I can't fully reveal just yet. But while the world knows me as CR7, here, I'll be UR Cristiano. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. It's a way to bring people even closer to us, to make them feel part of our world. Conclusion and farewell. So, what do you think of the name? Personally, I think it's perfect, especially for a platform like YouTube. It was our idea, and I believe it's a way to bring my fans even closer. Thank you so much for being here today, for being my first guest. I hope you all enjoy what we have in store. Sending love and thanks to everyone.